How to use eBay Motor Feature 2026. To use the eBay's Motor feature as of 2026, first of all, you simply have to use the eBay Motors feature. Head to the official website or launch the application. From there, you should be able to find the Motors tab at the top or the side menu bar by tapping on these three horizontal lines once you log in. From there, you should be able to find the My Garage. From there, you simply have to enter your vehicle's year, make, and model, trim, and also engine type. Once you do this, and once your car is saved, a green Fit Your Vehicle checkmark badge will appear on compatible listings for braking pads, tires, lights, or engine components. This filters out incorrect parts instantly. And this is how you can use eBay Motor feature as of 2026. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.